Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how easily you can unblock a website using NordVPN. So let's just begin. So first of all, what we are going to be doing here is, let's just say you want to access this site and it is not opening. So let's say any crypto site and it is blocked onto your country or region. So you can see now it is working, but after a couple of seconds it just shows this error, right? You can see it is not allowed in our region. So how do you fix it? All you need to do is simply head over to your NordVPN, select the region from the list, and you can see we have a wide range of options to choose from, and you can choose the exact area where the site is allowed. Let's just say it is allowed in maybe in Argentina or maybe in any other part, let's just say Australia, and you simply connect to that. And once you do it, you will be simply trying to access the site, say any of your crypto site, and it is going to be working. So that's how it is going to be helping you guys out. I hope this is helpful. Make sure to head over to NordVPN official site using the link in the description below to get your VPN today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.